Hello everyone, I am Khushbu Jai Kishan Khatri from Gajera International School, Katargram branch. Today I am going to explain you one of the interesting topic, chapter 6, fraction. So now arise question, what is fraction? The part of the whole are called fraction. Part of whole is known as fraction, where fraction is written in the form of numerator upon denominator. And numerator is the part of whole taken into consideration and denominator is the total number of equal part of whole. Let us take one example. Suppose this is whole and I divide this from center. So you can see here this is divided into two equal parts, 1/2 and 1/2. Here one is known as numerator and 2 is known as denominator, where 1 is representing half part of the circle and 2 representing the whole part, and we are dividing this whole part into two equal parts. So I had written here 2 and I am considering one part of this which is here 1 and I represent it as a numerator. Let us know what is known as half, 1/3 and quarter. What is meaning of half? When we divide any object into two equal parts, then it is known as half. Suppose there is one circle and I divide this circle from center, then each part of circle is known as 1/2. Here 1 represent numerator and 2 represent denominator. 1 is half part of this and 1 is half part of this. When I add this both the part, answer will be 1. Now what is called 1/3? Again when I divide a circle into 3 equal parts, then each part of the circle is denoted by 1/3, where 1 is represent numerator and 3 represent denominator. And what is meaning of quarter? When we divide any object into 4 equal parts, then it is known as quarter or 1/4. Suppose this is one circle and I divide it into 4 equal parts, then each part of the circle is known as 1/4 or quarter. Same here, addition of all this third part is equal to 1. And here addition of all fourth plus 1/4 part is equal to 1. Now let's take one example. Write the fraction shown by shaded part. Here you can see how many parts you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total part is 4, which is known as our denominator. This object is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our denominator is 4. And now how many parts you see here colored? Yes, here one part is colored. So it is known as numerator. So if I represent this part into shaded portion, so one part is color out of 4. Now here you can see here total object is 1, here 1 square is given. Out of that it is divided into two equal parts. 1 is color and 1 is remain. So total part, how many part is divided? So total part is 2. Out of that how many part is color? 1 part. So its answer is 1/2. Let us take another question. Write the fraction for the following words. Here I had taken 3 questions. First is 3/8. It is written in words and we have to write its fraction form. 3/8 means Here first letter represent numerator and second number represent denominator. So I can write here 3 as numerator and 8 is denominator. So answer is 3 upon 8. In second B number you can see 4/5. So here 4 represent numerator and 5th represent denominator. So answer will be 4 upon 5th. Now C number 7 10th. Here 7 represent numerator and 10th represent denominator. So first number 7 is numerator and second number 10th is known as denominator. So our answer is 7 upon 10. Now third question, write the following fraction in words. Here fraction form is given and you have to write this fraction form into word. So first number you have to write it is 3 and after that you have to write 10th. Here you have to add THS in that. So here answer is 3/10. After that question number B is 1/4. Here answer is first you have to write 1 and after that 4. In that you have to add T and H. So answer is 1/4. It is represented as 1 part of 4th.